Hello everyone out there. Today I am with the new video. So we will do some modifications in the shape of the parts. So you can see that how we have changed the shape of the end panels. So simply we will have one product here. We will drag one desk, existing decks from the, actually we have made that decks previously, so we will have a simple desk. We will drag that and then we will change its one of the parts shape. Okay, so we know the simple, these are the simple shapes, rectangulars, the modesty, tops, side panels, all are rectangular, right? So we will change the side panels shape from the front, and top panel shape, front edge shape. We will make it curvy shape, right? So we have our product. We click on edit, go in parts, and we will check uh, these side panels, which is called unfinished ends here, and these are rectangular ones, right? So just go in edit, select that part, go in edit and go in edit the shape. Now we have the options here to insert bulges, insert curves, or even we can modify its shape. We can add cutouts or anything, but simple way we have many predefined shapes here from the library, which is given by the Mozaik free. So we can choose anyone and just see, just click on that and it's applied. See how good the shape is applied. So in this way, or we can manually edit, or we can just load from the library and the shape will be modified for that part. Again, if we go for the right panel, side panel, and we will do the same and see what happens. May it can get, see the shape it has taken, that because the part was already rotated by 90 degrees. So if this happens, then you can just go in part 3D location and rotate the part as per desired. Okay, here. So it will be aligned our front, and this X, Y, Z locations you can change. So yeah, you can set this, go back up to the depth D minus 3. See, so these are the ways that we can do manipulations, edits in the our desired part until we get the part as we need, right? So see the shape, huh? Got it. And also if we can have two variations of the shapes. First we load and it is applied to the right side of the right side panel, and you can just, you know, copy it and apply, save as a library and apply to the right side of the panels, then it both will appear the same. Okay, so I have just saved this image for myself to be involved in this video. You just saw that in starting. In this way you can save these images, 3D images, right? So see, If this is the front, and we can just apply a bulge there. So I can apply some radius. The curve will be applied. The bulge, yeah, add a point and add a. Okay, I'm adding 2 points, 100 mil apart from each ends, and now we will apply curve to this remaining middle section. It can be outward, can be inward. Okay, if we have minus, it will go inward. Okay, it depends. So this way, a curve, either inward curve, a curve, or outward curve can be applied. So this is the just simple, how we can play with the part modification shapes in the mosaic. Again, I'm saving this by clicking that print icon. I'll save it as an image, and that image can be imported in the multi-prints while we show the all views and drawings to the client. Okay, so like that. See, nice shape we have. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and again we can reset the shapes also by same going into the part shape edit and just click the simple rectangle there. Then it will be come back to, yeah, that simple rectangle, it will come back to its original form. In this way we can reset the shapes again. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Yeah, have a great day ahead. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the upload. I'll keep uploading trainings, tutorials, videos for the CAD packages. So keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.